Really? The police want to come right now?
So I'm going to do a cleaning motivation video, and I'm going to show you guys all my candles I'm using, my cleaning products, what smells the best, because you guys know I am so big on clean and smell good things. My nails are so pretty. I love how they turned out. Okay, I'm trying to wait till the police come, but I don't think they're coming this way. So, you guys know my favorite hobby next to shopping is cleaning. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do a cleaning motivation video, and hopefully you guys are seeing this video because you guys watch my TikTok and I led you guys here. So that's my goal, because I do want to be a YouTube girl too. I already am a TikTok girl. I want to be that girl on TikTok, but I also want to be that girl on YouTube. So we're gonna start really expanding this YouTube and really get on this grind, because summer is almost here and life is about to get exciting. Masks are off in Chicago. I still wear my mask because I don't want to get sick, but that means more events, more things, more time I can take this camera out and show you guys my life. So I'm going to do a cleaning motivation video, and I'm going to show you guys all my candles I'm using, my cleaning products, what smells the best, because you guys know I am so big on clean and smell good things. I love cleaning, I love smelling good, I love cleaning my body, I love smelling good on my body. My place smells good, my body smells good, I love it all. So we're gonna start by cleaning, because my apartment is a hot mess. I've been traveling this last week back home, and then I'm back in Chicago now, so that was a good little small vacation I did. It was pretty cool. It wasn't even vacation going home, it was a vacation, it was a break. Really fun, get to spend time with my family. Yes, you guys, we're gonna start cleaning. My apartment is a mess, so I always start with my living room, or should I start with the kitchen today? I think I'm gonna start with the dining room. So I'm gonna show you guys in the dining room, take you guys with me, show you guys what the products I'm using, and I'm gonna start my dining room area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum, and I am going to clean off the table. I love to use Fabuloso. So Fabuloso is my absolute thing. I had got this big old container, and I think I am going to dilute this into a bottle, but I hate diluting it because I love that fragrance, that ultimate fragrance experience. That's what I like. Okay, so when I start in my dining room, I just end up picking up everything around, and I always keep a ring light in my dining room for TikToks and such, and just in case I need one in the living room. But anyways, yes, I remove everything from my dining room table and wipe off the surfaces with a microfiber towel, and it is wet with warm water or hot water, and I put some Fabuloso on it and just wipe everything down. And I take another microfiber towel and dry it and put everything back on. So I feel like my dining room is real easy to clean, and I clean off all the little decorative plates and such. So after I clean all those off, I have two little candles, and the little tea light candles I get from IKEA, and they're vanilla scented. They're super, super cute and cheap, and I love them because they smell good, but they're not like a really, really heavy smell. And they look really, really aesthetic on my dining room table. So I just put those there, and then I grab my plant and put it on there. It's not a real plant. I think I purchased it from Marshall's long time ago, but I always love to put it on my dining room table in the springtime. And as far as my living room goes, it was so messy because this week I was so busy with content creation for TikTok and brand deals and such like that I just piled stuff up in my living room. So as you can see, I have like the hatch there, stuff like that. So I had to clear my living room of all the crap that I had. So I am the type of person that I like to take the whole entire vacuum and just vacuum the couch, just like it's the floor. I just vacuum it. So much easier, so much faster. I prefer doing it, and I feel like it works better. But I love the Febreze fabric refresher. You guys sometimes see this in my TikToks, but this stuff is so amazing and it smells so good, so clean, especially on your couch. If you can't remove the cushion sheets or whatever, I don't even know what you would call those, the cover or whatever. It's not even a cover, I don't know, whatever it is. If you can't remove it, it's so perfect for that. I always love it. I got the springtime scent and it smells really good. And I put my blankets on my ottoman. And I have been loving lighting a candle right there at the end. And I picked up a couple candles from Bath and Body Works, and this one is the iced dragon fruit. And yes, I cut the little wick thing so I wouldn't start a fire. So yes, it looks so cute, aesthetic, and it's a rainy day, so a candle lit was so cute, and I love it. So for my kitchen, I had just a couple dishes in there from yesterday that I did not take care of, and they had no food on them or anything, so I'm not nasty and leave food in my sink. But I did wash some Tupperware and just any dishes that were in there. And then from this morning, I know I had my pre-workout, blender thing. So I am a huge Comet girl. I love Comet. So I sprinkle my bathtub with it, my sink, my kitchen sink, my bathroom sink, everything I sprinkle with Comet. And I use a little bit of Dawn dish soap and just kind of get my sink real clean and take a wet microfiber towel and clean, make sure everything is all clean. And I love the Comet with bleach because I feel like it gets all the bacteria from food, especially because I have eggs in the sink sometimes, or eggshells. You can have remnants of salmonella, whatever the case may be. So this is when I will wipe off my surfaces. And I love the Clorox Scentiva. I have been a huge fan for this for almost 3-4 years now, and I absolutely love it. It smells so good. The scent lasts, and it also disinfects, which is another plus. So I do the same thing, and I wipe down the surfaces. And this is when I will put my cookbook away and light my little wax candle warmer. So I take the Scentiva spray and spray down my stove, and that is like rust or like from the water to Chicago, that little stain right there. I don't know how to get it off, and I'm renting, so they can figure that out on their own on how to get that off, because I'm leaving. I feel like sometimes if not even sometimes, all the time, if your sink is dirty or your stove is dirty, your whole kitchen is dirty. So a clean stove and a clean sink is so important to me. It just makes or breaks your kitchen. So next is the bathroom, and I did not film me cleaning the bathtub, but I just sprinkled some Comet on the sink, let it sit for a second, and I get my little scrub brush that I got from IKEA, and I love scrubbing my sink with it. I feel like it gets all any toothpaste that's on there or anything that I guess gets on your bathroom sink, it gets off. So I do that and then take a sponge and just clean the sink. And I'm not really picky when it comes to toilet bowl cleaner. I just have the Up and Up brand. As long as it disinfects and gets the job done, I love it. And as long as it smells clean as well. So I just clean the toilet. And one thing people don't know is if you take the Scentiva and you spray, you gotta wait a couple minutes for the spray to work and actually kill all the bacteria on there. So I usually leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes on there. And then I will come back and spray everything down. And I always keep a little bin with extra toilet paper, spray, and wet wipes as well next to my toilet, so I went to go restock that as well. So my camera had died after these next couple of clips, but I had so much clothes that were not folded, but they were clean because I've been going through my clothes, kind of spring cleaning. I got rid of like 2 huge construction bags of clothes and donated them. Also another IKEA bag, and I'm still donating more clothes. But yes, I had so many clothes in my keep pile, so I decided to finally get those done so I can honestly have a clean room and enjoy my room and sleep right. I hate sleeping in a messy room. It's so uncomfortable. So I decided to finally get that done, and I'll let you guys watch me fold these clothes. I love how pleasing it is when the floor is finally all cleaned and you can see the floor after having a huge pile of clothes. So after that, I had a little bit of clothes and like junk around me that I was just gonna put in this bag because those are like hang up clothes that I have to hang up in my closet. And oh my gosh, my underwear are always showing. That is so embarrassing. Anyways, I had a couple heels that I had to put that fell because of that big pile of clothes, so I did that. It looks so good, and this is where my camera died, you guys. So thank you for watching.